You might have seen this trick of computing a square of a number ending with 5. For example, 35 square. Last two digits will be 25. You multiply 3 with the next number 4, we will get 12. So this is 1225. For 65 square, last two digit will be 25. Multiply 6 with the next number, which is 7, which is 42. This is 4225. 85 square, last two digits will be 25. Multiply 8 with the next number 9, you get 72. So it's 7225. Now let's see why it works. Any number ending with 5 can be written as x times 10 plus 5. Also we have a plus b whole square formula, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Apply that on x times 10 plus 5. We get x square 10 square, 2 times x times 10 times 5 plus 25. With further simplification, we get x times x plus 1 times 100 plus 25. X times x plus 1 times 100 plus 25 is x times x plus 1, 25. So, square of a number written as x5 is x times x plus 1, 25.